Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V21e 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can add or remove watermark, camera watermark in your phone Vivo V21e 5G. First, open camera in your phone and now go to the settings icon of camera here. Now scroll down and click on watermark, and here three options are available: time watermark, model watermark, and custom watermark. If you turn on time watermark, date and time will be printed along with your watermark. Only date and time will be printed if you have only turned on this option. Okay, let's see it. I go to camera again and go back and take a photo now. I take this photo and see in the photo in the bottom left side August 2 2022, that is date, and 10:27 a.m. time also printed. So here date and time will be printed if you turn on only time watermark. Okay, so if you want to have your own watermark, again go to the camera and go to the camera settings and go to watermark, and you go to turn on model watermark. Then you can also add custom watermark. Turn on this button and you can add content. Click on add content and type your name or your friend name or your daughter name or your son name, your wife name, or whatever you want. You can also include your business name. So here just I write, for example, I write my website name www.facultyon.com. facultyon.com. Okay, click on save finally. So what you given here, that will be printed as a watermark. Now go back and shoot another picture. Here I would like to shoot this picture and open the picture that you shoot. Open the picture and see in the bottom left side along with model watermark, my website is also printed www.facultyon.com. Okay, so in this way you can include your own watermark. You can also turn on this model, turn on or turn off this model watermark. So you can remove this model watermark and you can only include your business name or what you want to include. Okay, so here again I go to camera and go to camera settings and go to watermark and turn off model watermark. Now go to camera and take a picture. Now I would like to take this picture and see in the picture that is that Vivo V21e, that model is removed now. Only custom watermark and date and time are printed here. If you want to remove date and time, then you can just go to the settings again and go to watermark and turn off time watermark. Only now this custom watermark will be printed in your photo. Now see it. I go to camera again and I take a picture of this and see in the resulted file, resulted photo, only that custom watermark is printed here. Okay, in this way you can easily include any watermark in your phone as per your desire. If you want to remove completely watermark, then you have to completely turn off those three options. So go to camera settings again and go to watermark and turn off custom watermark. Now no watermark will be there. See here. I would like to take this picture. And you see in the picture there is no watermark is already removed. So in this way, if you want to include watermark, you can just add using three options, that is time watermark, modern watermark and custom watermark. Suppose if you don't want this watermark, if you have accidentally turned on those watermark and if you want to remove it, just follow this video and turn off those three, and you will not have any watermark. Your photos will be free from watermark. So in this way you can easily customize watermark in your phone Vivo V21e 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.